Meet Mr. Albert, an industrialist. Around 3 months ago, he was looking for a brand new steam boiler, but due to limited funds couldn't afford that one. So, he decided to buy a second-hand steam boiler for sale in order to save money. One day while he was surfing the web, came across at O'Brien Energy. Without any delay, Mr. Albert browsed at o'brienenergy.com.au to know more about their offerings. He discovered that they have a broad range of refurbished and second-hand boilers. All used boilers they sell have been through a meticulous inspection, remanufacturing, and support service. Moreover, the experts disassemble and repair or replace any broken components on their second-hand boilers. By all-seeing, Mr. Albert called them at 1300771759 and discussed his requirements with them. If you are looking for the same as Mr. Albert, then contact O'Brien Energy now.